In this tutorial we cover how to install OpenUTAU on Ubuntu Linux. OpenUTAU is an open source alternative to the famous Vocaloid software that you may know from their mascot Hatsune Miku. To start with the installation procedure, first, open your web browser and type in the search bar OpenUTAU and click on the search result www.openutau.com. There, click on Linux x64. After the download is finished, look for OpenUTAU Linux x64 tar xz in your downloads folder. Right-click on it and in the pop-up menu click Extract here. Double-click the extracted folder called OpenUTAU Linux x64 to enter it. Now right-click somewhere between the DLLs and in the pop-up menu click Open in Terminal. Type in the terminal capital OPEN capital UTAU. Hitting enter should start the program. Should you have any problems, please write so in the comments. With this install method, you unfortunately have to open a terminal in the right folder and type in the command every time you want to open the program. There exists an install script as well, but then you have to trust that this script doesn't install malware on your computer. Thank you for listening.